Did your gas mileage suddenly plummet, and your engine feels sluggish every time you press the accelerator pedal? You might have a faulty emission sensor feeding bad information to your engine computer and messing up your air and fuel mixture. You are dealing with diagnostic trouble code P2A05, which stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Range or Performance Bank 2 Sensor 3. This generic code applies to almost all vehicles made after 1996. Your engine relies on oxygen sensors inside the exhaust pipes to measure how much unburned oxygen is escaping. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, and sensor 3 means this is the downstream sensor located after the catalytic converter. As hot exhaust gases flow over the sensor, it creates small voltage changes that your computer reads to determine if the engine is running too lean with too much air, or too rich with too much gas. When this downstream sensor sends a signal that falls outside the normal operating range, the computer triggers this code. The symptoms are very noticeable. You will see a service engine soon light, your performance will drop, and your fuel efficiency will get terrible, meaning fewer miles per gallon at the pump. The causes can include a failed oxygen sensor, melted wiring, engine misfires, major vacuum leaks, a bad mass airflow sensor, or cracks causing exhaust leaks. To fix this at home, you must first repair any other codes related to misfires or exhaust leaks, because the engine needs to run properly before testing this sensor. Safely get under the car and inspect the wiring harness leading to the oxygen sensor. Look closely for wires that have melted against hot exhaust pipes or rubbed against sharp heat shields. If the wires are damaged, repair them. If they look good, plug a diagnostic scanner into your port, clear the codes, and take a test drive. If the code returns, use a digital volt ohm meter to test the resistance and voltage of the sensor. The downstream sensor signal should be very steady with minimal fluctuations. If the signal is wildly jumping around or completely dead, the sensor is likely ruined and needs replacing. When should you go to a professional mechanic? If you replace the sensor, but the code keeps coming back, you might have a failing catalytic converter. Cheap aftermarket converters often cause repeated failures. Testing catalytic converter efficiency requires specialized tools, so let a certified technician take over to get your vehicle running properly.